Hello, I'm back, and I'm sorry it's been a really long time since I made anything, and I want to come back. I'm gonna get the camera soon, the Sony a6000. It's been doing, I'm doing so well, making so much money, and after the severe warning, today's let me think. Today is, let me see. Hold on 1 second. 8:38. It's July 6th. No, June. I forgot. It's June 18th.
June something.
See here. Alright, got it. It's Come on, why did I do that again? Oh my gosh. It's June 23rd, 2015, and it's 8:41. Let me show you what happened after the severe warning. In New Jersey, it was probably even worse. It was 2 times worse, severe, and
Why is it so orange?
look how yellow's everything.
Why is everything yellow?
Go away. Can you? I'm doing something right now.
Oh, I know why it's yellow.
Okay. Thank you. It's 8:40, and it's just unbelievable. It's so light. It's almost 9 o'clock, and it's almost 9 o'clock, and God. Soon my camera is gonna have the best quality than this. It's gonna be the best, and I'm gonna edit with it, and it's gonna be amazing. And yeah, New Jersey got it pretty bad. I wonder what it looks like right now. I can't imagine right now, but